Hello friends, this is Caroline of Caroline's Plans. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to another plan with me for this past week in my Easy Life Planner. This week for the base I am using this beautiful sort of muted, not super in your face but still fall themed kit from Glam Planner. It is called Chambray Pumpkin. Thank you to the friend on the Glam Planner Facebook group for helping me out with remembering the name of this kit. The gold confetti foil bougie boxes that I'm using are by Sticky Essentials. They're an overlay tape, and the glitter headers that I'm using are from a glitter header grab bag from Scribble Prints Co. They just happened to match very well with the colors in this kit, and I didn't at the time that I purchased this kit, I did not pick up the matching glitter headers, so I thought these from my stash worked very well. The date numbers that I'm pulling in this week are in gold, as with the rest of the foil, and the date dots themselves are from Harriet Wright Designs. All of the stickers that I'll be using, I don't think I'm going to link them all below like I've been doing, but if anyone has any questions, feel free to ask in a positive comment below, and I am more than happy to point you in the right direction as to where to find the particular stickers that you are looking for that I used in this spread. My gold overlays, one is from Shop Jessica Hearts, some others are from Sadie Stickers, and yeah. So I overestimated on my bougie boxes there, so I just pulled two of them up on the left and one on the right to make room for the remainder of my full boxes. And then just repositioning some things to make all of those elements fit. And then we're moving back over to the left for my sidebar. I did decide to pull in the Fashion Girl box on the top left as per usual, as well as two habit trackers, and this week I decided to do something a little bit different and pull in both of the weekly trackers on that sort of middle section, and then on the bottom of my sidebar to track Happy Meal that I received on each day, as well as working on YouTube each day, what I did, respectively. And then that middle floral rounded corner box is to mark my favorite or most notable moment of the week, and I did pull in that Glam Planner order tracker. Above that came as a freebie with this kit to mark the progress of a couple orders that I still have out, and then I pulled in the YouTube and Happy Meal and workout and no spend and spending headers that came with the kit, and then used my pen to mark a no spending to switch that up. My no spend this week went okay. I think it only broke on a couple of days. Those are some of the remaining sheets that I'll be using throughout the week, and then the date numbers as well. Those small gold accent pieces that you see on the upper weekly box are from Scribble Prints Co., a little deco sheet, and the gold overlay on the bottom washi is from a glitter grab bag from Glam. In retrospect, I do wish that I had repositioned that slightly to position it better, but I don't have as much experience with this triple bottom washi layout. The double glitter strips with the patterned one that's thicker, so if I had anything to change, it definitely would have been that bottom washi overlay, putting it over more of the middle of my bottom washi section, but I think it turned out okay. On Monday, I'm marking morning coffee with a script in gold from Glam and that wonton from Wonton in a Million. I am marking some work things with an emoji from the Coffee Monsters Co. and 3 scripts from Harriet Wright Designs. That little dishwashing icon is also from Harriet Wright Designs, and the dishes script is from Scribble Prints Co. That yoga script is in gold from Letters to Apollo, and the yoga mat is by Franny Lamb Stickers on Etsy. I pulled in that Me Time script from Scribble Prints Co. and the little cat piece of deco from the kit. I thought it was a really cute way to mark me time and kind of just getting cozy at the end of the day on Monday. And then on Tuesday, I'm just pulling in a little squatting teeny and a half box to mark a quick little circuit workout I did on Tuesday morning. That workout script is from Franny Lamb Stickers on Etsy. I did wind up working late this day, prepping some testing materials. That work late script is from Glam Planner, and the emoji is from the Coffee Monsters Co. I pulled in a little pink rounded half box and a little Tara on her laptop from Pumpkin Paper Co. to mark editing. That edit script is from Kinsey's Creations, I believe. And then I pulled in a little strip of pattern washi and the clinking glasses icon from the kit with a cook script from Sticky Essentials to mark a little bit of meal prep. This day was really a wonderful day. I hit my overall goal for YouTube subscriber numbers on this day of 100 subscribers. That goals script is from Gloria Shop, the YouTube script is from Harriet Wright Designs, and the little YouTube emoji is from the Coffee Monsters Co. The TV at the bottom of the day is from Murdoch Talks, as well as that Watch YouTube script. Thank you so much to anyone who is subscribed to this channel, or watches me, or follows me, or supports me, or gives feedback in any way. You all have been so positive and supportive of me on this journey so far, and it's really given me a wonderful way to be creative and have some form of an artistic outlet that also, I think, caters towards, our tendency in the community to be super organized. So I think it marries those two strengths quite well, and I just couldn't be happier to be part of this community and using, this platform to be creative and also create a memory diary of sorts that is entertaining and soothing to watch. So I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. I look forward to continuing this journey with you all. That filming Character is from Pumpkin Paper Co., as well as that little Gramps Tara. The film script is from Kitsie's Creations, excuse me, and that period script is from Letters to Apollo, I believe. And that little TV watching munchkin is from Once More with Love, and the script is from Scribble Prince Co. Unfortunately, I did lose the first half of the day on Friday. I'm not entirely sure what happened. I think I just forgot to press record. But I did want to mention that the little cleaning girl on the top of Friday is a new one from Miss Moss, a shop recommended to me by Tay of Chambray Plans. I am obsessed with those stickers and look forward to continuing to use them a bunch in upcoming spreads. Here we're just filling in my sidebar for the end of the week. In case you're curious, the pen that I'm using is the pen that I very often use, which is the .38 tip size Pilot G2 in black, and my tweezers are by Revlon, can be found on Amazon. To mark 100 subscribers, I used a little balloons icon from Sticker Bloom, a leftover. Same with that coffee cup on Saturday morning. The morning coffee script and the Watch Hocus Pocus scripts are from Glam Planner. The Watch Hocus Pocus script is from a fall bucket list script sheet. That icon that I used to mark Happy Meal is from the Coffee Monsters Co., and the Happy Meal script is from Harriet Wright Designs. I pulled in a patterned rounded half box and that little fix things emoji from the Coffee Monsters Co. to mark a fun little chore that my husband and I did. We changed a bunch of our light bulbs in both of our bathrooms for the first time since we moved. I thought that was a fun thing to mark because the light bulbs are marketed as being 1 year life, so I guess that means that we are coming up on our first anniversary of living in this house, which is true and exciting. To mark a walk that we took in the park, I used a little fall critter from the Coffee Monsters Co. and a little piece of a fall leaf deco from Glam Planner, and I marked a lunch picnic that we had on Sunday in a similar way. To mark coffee on Sunday, I used a script from Murdoch Talks and the coffee cup that came with the kit. I used the planner that came with the kit and an upload script from Harriet Wright Designs to mark uploading this plan with me that you're watching now. And I used 2 small strips of washi with the little box icon from Sticker Bloom and a grocery script from Murdoch Talks, to mark our grocery delivery that came this day. Whoa, don't mind my head making an appearance. There's that little picnic mention there near the bottom of Sunday. And then I'm pulling in a thicker strip of washi, 2 thicker strips of washi in that pink pattern and in the solid blue on the bottom. That pink one was to mark meal prep. That emoji is from the adulting sheet from the Coffee Monsters Co. and that meal prep script is from Scribble Prince Co. I pulled in this, this crying over bills emoji from the Coffee Monsters Co. and a bill due script from Glam Planner to mark putting some important things, including my absentee ballot, in the mail this day. And that is about it. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I really hope that you enjoyed this video and that the audio quality was a little bit better for you this time. Let me know what you think in the comments below, as well as any questions, planner related or otherwise, that you might have for me. Thank you so much for sticking around. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, all those things if you like what you see here. Thank you so much for stopping by. Hope you have a wonderful, wonderful week, and stay happy and healthy. And peace, love, and happy planning, everyone. Bye-bye.